How do you find if your iPhone case is a genuine one or if it's a fake one? Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I will do a review of iPhone's new tech-woven case. This is the Sienna version, and I think it is the perfect match for the iPhone Cosmic Orange color. And for some reason, actually, this was very hard to get in UAE or Dubai, and I really had to wait for this color. It was not available in any website online or even in the Apple store. There was waiting time for this particular color. I was struggling to find this case, which I feel is the perfect match for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And since I was not able to get this in Apple store, I tried in some local stores. They were selling this, but people were quite kind enough to tell me that it's not a genuine Apple product. But it gave me an idea to do a product review of this particular case. So usually when we buy any Apple product like an iPhone or an Apple Watch, AirPods, iPad, etc., we always know the serial number or the model number, and we can check from the Apple website or Apple serial number check, and we can find the genuineness of this. Similarly, I was very keen to know that since a lot of Apple cases are sold in local stores, and we are not sure whether we are buying a fake or a genuine Apple product, how do you find if your iPhone case is a genuine one or if it's a fake one? And yes, there is a way to find out, because it does not have a serial number, but it does have a model number. So how to identify if this is a genuine Apple case or if it's a fake one? There is nothing written inside the case, no model number or Apple made in California or anything like that. Even on the side, there is no visible writing. So how to identify if this is a genuine Apple case? So the best way to find out if this is a genuine Apple case is when you turn it around. So when you buy any iPhone case, which is from any local market or any store, all the genuine iPhone cases will definitely have this part, which is the UKCA certificate. Now, just for comparison, I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max MagSafe silicone case, which I bought before. This was like 2 years back, and this also has this UKCA certificate. People who are doing counterfeit or fake cases, they might copy everything, all the written communication, the pictures can be copied, but every individual case will have an individual model number. At the moment, I don't see any serial number. There are a lot of numericals, but I don't see any particular serial number which Apple gives for iPhones or AirPods or Apple Watch. But if you look at both these cases, there is a model number. For example, this one is MGFC4ZM/A with the details of which iPhone it is. And also, this is the older version, so it also has the MT1P3ZM/A plus the detail of the iPhone and the color. So you can find out the genuineness of this case from this model number. If you don't see this model number in the recent cases, so if you don't find this sticker, which is UKCA certificate and the model number, there are chances you're buying something which is not genuine. So how to find out about this case, if it's a genuine case, from model number? Now, the best way to check is you can go to this website, deep.info. I will provide the links of this website in the description below. Now, this is the legit website to find out any Apple model number. And in this website, you can type any model number of iPhone or AirPod or an iPad or even a genuine case. So let's try to type the model number, which is MGFC4ZMA. And let's click on verify. And now click on check. So since this is a third-party website, you will have some ads which you have to ignore. So this website will now find out what exactly is this model number belongs to, and this will be a legit result. So here you can see this is a genuine Apple case. You see all the details by just typing the model number. This is an iPhone 17 Pro Max tech-woven case. Even the color, MagSafe Sienna. And the same writing you can see over here. So it matches with the details. It will even give you more details. So this is the model number. So this is the brand, model number, the part number. The region code is ZM. In the similar way, let me also check the older iPhone. So let's check the... So this case I bought from Virgin Mega Store and not from Apple Store. This was bought from the Apple Store. But again, to find out the genuineness with the UKCS certificate, these are the results. So as you can see, since it's a genuine case, you will find the details that this is an iPhone 15 Pro Max silicone case with a MagSafe Strom blue color, which exactly matches with the description on the case. So we can rest assured that this is a genuine case, brand, region, everything, all the details you can find over here. And here is a complete breakdown of the model number. The first letter belongs to a new retail unit, P for personalize. And nowadays with the AI, you can even check the model number in Google and it will give you great results, all the details, description and the breakdown. So M belongs to the new unit and T1P3 is the alpha numeric sequence for this particular silicone case with MagSafe for 15 Pro Max, Strom blue color. ZM/A is indicates the region and the country. So the model number will give you an exact detail of this case, whether it's genuine or fake or counterfeit. I also tried to check the serial number, but for some reason, it gives a random serial number. So for Apple silicone cases or tech woven cases or any MagSafe case, there is no serial number at the moment, or there might be, but it's not similar to the iPhone or iPad serial number. But definitely with the model number, you can find out if it's a genuine case or if it's a fake one. When you click on next, it will... So at the moment, they don't do serial number for the MagSafe cases, which can be found in the Apple website if it's a genuine case, but definitely from the model number, we can find it. And I really doubt the people who are making fake cases will have a model number. And I do believe that the people who are making fake cases or counterfeit cases will not write the model number on the box. So suppose you're buying an Apple case which does not have a model number, it can be a fake case or a counterfeit case because there is no way to find out the genuineness. And there are chances that the people who are doing the fake cases or counterfeit cases might write a model number, but when you check in the website deep.info, you will find out the exact detail, whether it's the same color or maybe it can be for some other color, and you will find the genuineness. So here is my take on the genuine Apple cases. I believe this is the first time I'm doing a comparison like this because usually people buy cases, they are not that expensive, and when you go and buy in any local shop, you never think much about whether it's genuine or fake. But this is something which is good to know because you buy such expensive iPhones and even the cases are not so cheap. So it's always good to know what you're buying is genuine or fake. So this was my take on the Apple genuine cases. I really hope you like this video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.